Goddamn long, man. What the hell you coughing for?
My throat hurt.
Bro, you tripping, man. I see the tone. You see all this shit going on.
Come on, get in the car so we can go.
I can't even get in this car.
Why not?
I catch that shit. I get in this car, man.
We ain't nobody got nothing. Come on and get in here.
No, I thought I heard you coughing fucking last night.
I'm coming out with a cold.
I ain't forgetting him. I'm not forgetting him. I can't ride.
You know, you play too much. Come on.
You know, I don't even want the fucking food no more. You can have that food.
The food covered up. What the food got to do with anything?
I'm about to go to my fucking mama house. I'm about to stay at my fucking mama house a couple days.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I stay at my mama house 10 goddamn days, man.
Come get your ass in this car.
You got that shit. I ain't even getting there. You coughing this shit.
Do I say that when you cough?
I have a reason. Cause I got high blood pressure. You got high blood pressure. You coughing like.
Whatever. You ain't got no high blood pressure. Come on, get in.
I ain't forgetting this car. I'm not forgetting this fucking car. You fucked up, man.
So we ain't about to eat.
Yeah, you finna eat. I'm not gonna touch none of that.
Okay, well come on so we can go home.
You ain't got no fucking mask on. You trying to get that shit
I don't need no mask.
You trying to fucking kill me. Why you got